I want you to look at all these bushes here. They ought to cut every bit of that down, and the sooner the better. Yep, you can see it's just growed up. Needs to be cut down. All right, this is what we're doing today. Electrical work. Look at that. See that black electrical wire? It's running on the ground to that electric meter box back there. Well, I'm at the back of the Burger King in Ozark, Missouri, and I wish you'd look at this mess. Well, all them trees are in the way, you really can't see what I'm talking about, but they have got a pile of dirt as tall as the little excavator that they're using. Alright, let me get out and see if I can get a better picture. Well, you can see the trench better here. Look at that. But still, these bushes are so tall I can't really show you what I want to see. But they got a bunch of dirt piled over there at the fence. So there's been some plumbing. They dug out some trenches, and they got it looking like they're going to put something in the hole. But as far as all of the site, it looks clean. Look at that. The dumpster's been empty here recently. It ain't even full. Now I can show you a little bit of the dirt that I'm talking about. We got a big old pile of it right there. See that?